So good afternoon, everyone here. So we have a brand new pair of handcuffs here. These are a little bit different, and these are police issued handcuffs here. So let's get on to the handcuffs itself. These are excellent handcuffs here, but these do not have the double locking push pin right here. This is your double locking right here. I will show you in just a moment how they work. Okay? Okay. So I bought these today in a military store right up in Holden, Maine. And now what I'm going to show you how they work. Okay. So you want to put them on in a different, the same way like you do on Smith & Wesson. Just like that. And then you want to lock it first. You just lock it up just like that. And now you can't move because these are real. These will be kind of hard to bust here because they're really pretty thick steel. So these will never bust open unless you have strong muscles, but I don't think many people will have. We're just going to release them first, and then we'll stick our key in here. That's the release of double lock. So that's how they work on the wrist here. Get the other handcuff key. These work like very excellent here since I got them today for helping out Grandma since the past month with her foot and stuff. And so yeah. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video here, and these are excellent handcuffs. And these are real police handcuffs, so if you ever get arrested in these handcuffs, like none of you, I hope none of you ever get arrested, but if you do ever get arrested, you'll know what kind of cuffs are they, like these handcuffs or Smith & Wesson handcuffs right here. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all later. Bye-bye.